Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Windows 10 or 11. So let me show you the fixes you can follow. The first one is here you have to just click on it and or you can go here and check if there is any airplane mode turned on. So if the airplane mode is turned on, then turn it off and then turn on your Wi-Fi, or you can turn on your Wi-Fi from here too. So the second one you can do is run your Windows network troubleshooter. So let me show you how you can do that. Go to your network option or the Wi-Fi icon that is showing in the taskbar. Right click on it and here tap on or click on troubleshoot problems. Now, this will automatically detect your problems in your network, and then just make sure you have check marked on all network adapters. Tap on next, and it's detecting for problems in all sorts of network adapters. So this might take a while. It is asking for what type of network problems are you having. So select any one of them. So if you click the first one as I did, you have to give to the address or path you're trying to connect to, and then they will try to fix it. So this was the inbuilt one, and the other one you can try is go to your Wi-Fi, just right click on it and click on forget, and just try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network again. And the last but not the least is update your network driver. So right click on it, open network and internet settings. And from here, just go to your network troubleshooter or go to the properties. And here you can update your network drivers. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.